Hello sellers, welcome to Builderfly Seller University. In this video, you will learn to customize your mobile app. This is your Builderfly app design editor and this is the design section. Splash is the first screen of your mobile app. You can choose the design template from here and apply the one of your choice. Under settings, you can upload or change the background image and choose to display or hide your business logo. Next is the welcome screen. You can choose the look from different templates and apply one of your choice. From settings, you can change the banner images, update new from our collection, tweak the content on these sections, and add more slides clicking Add New Slide. You can edit your new slides in a similar fashion. Clicking the login screen, you can choose from the ready templates and update display text from the settings section. Registration window appears to your new users. You can choose the design layout of the section and click Settings to update the text displayed. If your customers forget password screen will appear and you can update text settings clicking Settings. Once your customer log in, home screen will appear. You can choose the look of your home screen from the templates. Click Settings to update and change each of the section settings. You can enable or disable different section settings by clicking Toggle and enable social feeds updating the account settings from here. Also, you can change the sectional banner images or edit themes from here. Choose the display pattern of your menu in the mobile app and apply one of your choice. Under Settings, you can change the display sequence of the menu options, edit them, and choose tab or slide menu styles. Under the products, you will find different options. First is the list. This is how your product listings will be displayed. You can choose the display pattern from the templates and edit display options from the Settings tab. Click Sort to select from the different sorting patterns layout. Clicking Filters, you can choose the display pattern of the filter options. Clicking Detail, you can choose the display layout of your product detail pages in your mobile app. Under the Settings tab, you can update text settings and options you want to choose the options you want to display or hide. Clicking the review list, you can see how your product reviews will be displayed. You can change the display text heading clicking Settings. Click on Categories to choose how your vital product categories will be displayed and edit text settings from Settings. Next, choose the design layout for your product subcategories. Next, choose the design layout of your shopping cart or for your shoppers and click Settings to change the text. Clicking drop down next to Checkout, you can update checkout screen of your mobile app. First, see your checkout page and then go to the order confirmation page. You can update your text under Settings. Next in the sequence is Order Status. Under Settings, you can tweak the display image or edit the existing one. Click on Order Detail. You can see how your order detail screen will look like. Update text from the settings. Select Add Review to see the look of Add Review screen. Scroll down and see how the notification will be displayed to your shoppers. You can update section settings from Settings option. Under My Account tab, you will find all the options of the account settings for your shoppers. My Profile display your shopper's profile on your account. Change Password will display the password update options screen displayed to your app users. Edit Profile screen will be displayed when your shopper will try editing their user profile. Order History screen will display an entire order history of your customers from their account. Addresses screen will show all the addresses updated by the user in their account. Clicking Add New Address, they can add new address to which they want the order to be shipped. This will display Add Address screen to them. Clicking this color wheel, you can change the color theme of display icons of your store directly. Wishlist will display the products that customers have added to their wishlist in their account. Clicking Settings, customers can turn off push notifications of the app. Under the Miscellaneous section, you will find the display of your Twitter and other social feeds. The coupons you offer will be displayed in the Coupons section. Instagram shows your Insta feeds if you link your account in here. If you add the blog page for your mobile app users, blog list screen will display how these blog lists will be displayed. And blog detail screen will show how your blog detail page will look on your mobile app. Further, from the CMS option, you can add new pages and manage the other pages of your mobile app. Once done with the changes, click Save. If you want to test the app, click Publish to download the build of your app. Choose the OS from Android and iOS to download the APK of your app. Now that you have learned the art of customization with Builderfly's app design editor, try adding a personal touch to your mobile app. Don't forget to subscribe to Builderfly Seller University and hit the bell icon to get the notification for our video tutorials in advance. Summing up this tutorial, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next tutorial.